receive, and this is how you're going to receive the GPS. Since due to the issue with the packaging, we cannot have GPS standing all along here. It will going to get damaged during the shipping. So we are going to deliver the GPS like this. What you need to do is remove the GPS from here. You will be also provided with this ziplock with screws in it. It shows landing gear 4 screws and GPS stand 2 screws and a bolt. So these are the two. Let me show you the 2 screws that we are going to use for the GPS. So these are the 3 things that we're going to use for the GPS to mount the GPS on the frame. So as you can see, one is a longer one is a shorter one, and one is a bolt. The longer one is going to go in the back side over here, and the shorter one is going to go in the front over here. So let's start with the shorter one. My apologies, the shorter one is going to go in the back. Make sure that the direction of the GPS is aligned with the direction of the pixel, which is towards me. What you can do is you can manually try to screw it. Yep. Once this is done, you can screw a little bit in the front as well before starting. This will be the long screw, since we need to fix it with the bolt from the bottom. So you can screw it like this all the way around with hands as well if you want. See, it's still not that stable. You can see here it's still moving. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the bolt. So open this side of the wing a little bit, not fully. You can see it's much faster. It's not moving at all, so it's good. So if you have this bolt tightener, you can tighten the bolt as well. You can tighten the bolt as well. Yeah, it's done. Now this is done. I'm talking about the landing gear. You will gonna receive the UAV without the bottom part of the landing gear. To attach that, in this bag there are 4 screws, 2 for each landing gear. I'm gonna show you for one, and you can do it for the other as well. We're gonna use 2 mm of screw. So just hold it firmly. Insert the landing gear. Make sure it's aligned parallel to the frame. Insert the screws. As you can see, it's done. It's not gonna go like that too. Likewise, you can do for the other part. Now the drone will be ready to fly. Thank you.